Dude, I got a box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. It's my phone. And a baggie of air. I'm so happy. I love bags of air. Bags of air are the best. Let's open it up. How do I open it? Thank goodness for nails. I think it's child-proof. Oh, pull here. It is. It's just idiot-proof. Ooh. Such a skinny box. I expected a fat one. This doesn't do anything. It's got a little hole for the camera bump. That good old camera bump. I'm excited for the camera bump. Look at that. That is what I'm talking about. And this? How fancy. Nice, clean, shiny, and new. Look at that shine. Oh. They wanted to make sure that you know that it's designed by Apple and that it's in California, because apples don't come from California. And what is this? Oh, it's got a little lift here. The Apple sticker. All about the Apple sticker. And the SD card pin, because I don't have a paper clip. I do have a paper clip. And a charging cable, but no charging block. Is this special? This doesn't look like a regular charging cable. It's a USB-C charging cable, so I'm not going to be able to plug it in a charging block. So that only works if you have a USB charging block? I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure that out later. I'm just happy to have that. Super excited. If you can explain to me what this is on this cable, that would be helpful. Because Google, typing that into Google, like what is this cable for in my iPhone box, that's too much effort that I'm willing to make. Ooh, and my activation now card. Let's activate it now.